was a cold one out there today. We should be around 40 here on the 24th day of February, but we were closer to 28 in most spots earlier on this afternoon. We even had a couple of leftover flurries at the start of the day. This time lapse over Boardman, though, shows the improving conditions as far as the way it looked outside as we got into the second half of the day. We had a fair amount of sunshine this afternoon, but it was fairly ineffective with those breezes. The wind chills were mostly in the teens today, but the clear skies giving way to clouds as we speak, and these clouds are in advance of a warm front that will be pushing in overnight, causing temperatures to rise for a bit, but that warm front also the impetus for the snow that we're expecting in a handful of hours. It's still way up over Michigan right now, but this will quickly move into northeast Ohio and western Pennsylvania as we head past midnight and towards 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. You'll see that timing play out with our high-resolution futurecast. Again, we're snow-free for the evening hours, but as we head into the overnight, especially again closer to 1 o'clock, maybe 2 o'clock in the morning, it'll start snowing in most places, and this will be a pretty quick hitter. I think in most locales it's a couple or a few hours worth of snow. It's gone way before daybreak tomorrow morning, but still, the snow can come down at a decent clip when most of us are asleep overnight tonight. Maybe a quick inch to an inch and a half, even 2 inches. I can't quite rule out later on tonight. And again, this will all come in the matter of a few hours between, say, 1 a.m. and 4 a.m. on average, as most get up and around tomorrow morning by about daybreak, heading off to work and school. Yes, there can be some slick surfaces as a result of that overnight snow, but there won't be much falling from the sky at that point. Again, 27's an evening low. Will be closer to freezing later on tonight into tomorrow morning, and overall tomorrow a milder day than today, but still a little bit blustery, taking a little bit of an edge off those temperatures as we head through our Wednesday. Good deal of sunshine, though, for the afternoon hours. So again, 28 today, but closer to 40 for tomorrow afternoon, but the wind chill will still be a factor tomorrow. Instead of the teens, the wind chill's mostly in the 20s to around 30. All right, previously we had a chance of snow in our Thursday forecast with this stalled front and the possibility of a low pressure system forming along that front and throwing some moisture northward. Doesn't look like that's going to happen now. That low is going to fail to form and high pressure is going to win out now. That means actually a pretty nice day on Thursday. It'll be chilly, but the sun will be out. And well, if you're longing for some mild weather, Friday and Saturday are your days. Here comes a warm front pushing through Friday. We'll get into the 40s Friday, 50s on Saturday. Too bad it's just 2 days worth of a warm-up. We do have a cooler stretch coming for the first half of next week and the start of the month of March. May come with some wintry precipitation. The confidence on any individual days being stormier, I should say, than the others, that confidence is pretty low at this point. But at some point early next week, there might be a storm that brings us a variety of precipitation. This should be followed by a more pronounced and more long-lived warm-up as we head towards March 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th, maybe the 10th as well. But in the meantime, the two warm days in this 7-day forecast, those are Friday and Saturday. A couple of nice sunny afternoons as well. Cold front arrives just as we flip the calendar over to March, Saturday night into Sunday, knocking those temperatures back to only 34 on Sunday, maybe a couple of flurries in the morning. And again, our precipitation chances low early next week as we await more consistent model data.
Yeah, and I'm wondering, like, what's the average temperature for March? How warm should it be?
We start out in the low 40s at the beginning of March, and by the end of the March, those averages climb into the 50s.
And I guess it's going to be a lot like what it was last night. I had quite a bit of snow in Cortland, and then this morning, but then by the afternoon, it was all gone.
We'll see. Yeah. Everything that happens tonight should be melting tomorrow.
Melting tomorrow, yeah, that'll be nice.
Yep. We're ready to say farewell to that.
Thanks, Eric.
Uh-huh.
Here is what's trending.